Before I had kids, I said when I have kids, I want to be a stay-at-home mom. Being in this business gives me the time freedom to be able to do and be there for them.
We really help people, design a nutritional program so that you can achieve your goals around your current lifestyle.
Being able to help somebody losing weight, gaining muscle, or overall just feeling better with themselves and being confident, I know this is what I was meant to do.
So I come from a very hardworking entrepreneurial family. My entire family are immigrants here in the United States. So a lot of the people that I work with, they carry on that attitude of making sure that, everything that they do is really for their family.
I do the business from anywhere where I'm at. I do it from the field, from my husband's grandma's house while I'm taking care of her. I'm able to provide for my family.
To me, there's nothing better than to help a mom make that extra income to send their kid on that field trip across the country. Every time I hear those stories, I feel like this is why I do what I do.
I'm able to cover all my kids' sports, their music, events that they have for school. I'm there during their practices. I don't have to miss any of their games. My favorite part of doing this business is that I'm able to be a present mom.